I don't know about you, but my goal was always to scale. And I was always trying to see, how can I do more? How can I do more? And with the single family, I mean, at one point I just felt like I hit a brick wall and there was no way that I could do more volume. So like you said, you know, it's that instant scale where I'm buying 100 units in one property versus having to do 100 single family homes. One of the big differences for me was raising the equity piece, right? That was something I wasn't used to. I was using my own money, or we had a couple private lenders in the single family space. But what I did to overcome that was I partnered with somebody that had raised equity. And you know, we found the deal, we operated it, but they raised the equity, and then eventually, you know, started raising my own equity. But the good thing I think about multifamily is that there's a lot of partnerships involved, and it's a team game. Unlike single family, like you said, we were competitors. Well, now we can be partnering on deals.